This is how to play Thapelo Rona by Sechaba. I'm not sure about the original key of the song, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play the song in the key of C sharp, okay? So it says Thapelo Rona Ditlanyuluhela Ditlanyuluhela Hodimo Ontate Diribile Hosanna Hosanna Hodimo Hosanna Hodimo Hodimo Ontate. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's break it down. So it starts right here on C sharp major, first inversion. From here, you move to number 5. From number 5, you go to number 4. From number 4, you go to number 1, which is C sharp major. From number 1, you go to C sharp major, second inversion. Okay? If you didn't see the chords, just pause the video and watch the chords closely. For the last time, Thapelo Rona. Okay, so just on that part, I'm gonna introduce the bass. So it says Thapelo Rona, right? So on the left, you're gonna play your number 1 until you complete all those chords. Okay, you wanna say Thapelo Rona. Okay, you hold your number 1 until you complete all these chords, and then from here you wanna say Ditlanyuluhela. It's quite easy. You go to number 1, from number 1 to number 4, from number 4 back to number 1. From number 1 you come here to E flat minor. From E flat minor you go to C sharp major, second inversion. And by the way, guys, if you want to learn, if you want to know all these things, you can just join our private community. Here's my WhatsApp. Just send me a WhatsApp to get more details. The price is 1,500 and it's a one-time payment. Okay, so let's continue with the song. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce the bass on this part. Okay, so we said on the first part it's Thapelo Rona, and then from here, when you hit number 1, you wanna hit number 3 on the left. You wanna play it like this. Okay, this chord is called C sharp major slash F, or you can call it a 1/3. I won't be getting deep into those things. Those are for my students. Okay, this is a slash chord. And then when you hit this chord, you go to number 4 on the left, and then from number 4 you go back to this one, and then from this one, when you hit E flat minor on the left, you wanna hit number 7. Okay, you're gonna hit number 7, and then you come right here to number 1 when you hit this chord. I don't want you to be confused. Let me play it again. Thapelo Rona. You are still holding on the left, and then you move. Okay, so from here you wanna play Hodimo Ontate. Okay, so you're gonna play number 6, number 5, number 1. From From here, you're gonna play E flat minor. You're gonna say 6, 5, 1, E flat minor, and then 1, 4, and then E flat minor again, and then C sharp major second inversion, and then from here you go to 5, and then you go to 1. Let me sing it. Di tla nyolohela hodimo ho ntate. Okay, so on the left you're gonna say 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 2, 5, 5, and then you stay there until you close the song, and then you come here. Okay, let me sing it. Di tla nyolohela hodimo ho ntate. Okay, so we're gonna go to Ibine Hosana. Okay, so that part starts right here. Ibine, it goes to C sharp major, and then you go to C sharp major second inversion. From here, E flat minor, and then C sharp major. All right. Pa 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 pa. Okay. So from here, you wanna say pa pa. Sorry, pa pa. You go to 4, and then back to 1, and then E flat minor, and then C sharp major, second inversion. Again, Ribine Hosana 4, Hosana hodimo. So just on that part, I'm going to introduce the bass. When you say Ribine, you hold number 1 again. Okay, Ribine Hosana, you are still holding number 1, and then from here you go to number 4. Hosana hodimo. And then here we already did this part. You want to repeat it. You want to say Hosana hodimo. We did this part. Hodimo ondate. It's a very long song, but it's quite easy once you get used to it. Okay, this kind of songs make you understand keyboard even much better. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the beginning, and I'm gonna play the whole song. So make sure that you concentrate. Let's go. Thapelo Rona, and then from here, hodimo ondate. Ribine Hosana. Ribine. Don't forget Hosana. Number 4. Hosana hodimo. And then 6. Hosana hodimo. Hodimo ondate. I hope you understand. So this is how I personally play.